Okay, so we're at Rose's house. It is June 9th, and the address here is 219 West Stanford Ave, and claim number for reference is 7010229147. And it is 102 degrees out, so the shingles are not stiff and cold. As you can see here, my knees are burning, but as you can see here, the roof is old, and our fear is that the roof is too fragile for us to be able to make repairs without causing more damage. These shingles are not pliable. So we're going to record our attempt right now. This is the damaged shingle in question. You can see the creasing here. This was marked by the adjuster, so this is considered a damaged shingle. So I'm just going to start my repairs. I'm going to attempt to get the staples and nails out. See one right here. There are staples. Nails. I am causing these to delaminate. If you can see there, those are still intact. And there is one more row of staples that are holding the shingle in. I can already feel it like creasing, cracking. I am slipping all over the place. Taking half the granules with me. So I'm losing a lot of granules where I'm stepping. Right there. I did tear this area right here. I'll mark this so I can show you at the end. and then this one was delaminated. So I got creasing right here, that's new. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll mark that too. I got a creasing right here. Keep it easy. Okay, I got those out. So that's the shingle I'm replacing. Now I need to put this one back in. I'm going to use nails for this. All right, so now I'm gonna nail it down. I'm gonna do 5. And if you watch up close, when I nail, I'm like all of these granules are falling off as I nail. That was my bad. Okay, so now I have another row of nails that go up in this area. If you look close here, this shingle is starting to crease, and this shingle is starting to crease. But I'll point that out at the end. These are delaminating. You can see there, like, those are delaminating. This one is starting to delaminate. I think 2 more nails. You see that one is delaminating there. Those 2 layers are starting to separate. I'm sure if you like look close, all the granules are falling off. All right, so I'm going to kind of outline what happened. To remove and replace this shingle, we had to manipulate this shingle. My shadow's kind of in the way, but like on this shingle, I'm creasing the shingle. I'm going to outline that. Ready?
Yep.
All right, so the phone just overheated, so we're having to split the video into 2, but I just removed and replaced this one damaged shingle, and I'm outlining the damages that were caused by doing so. So like if you look close at the shingle, I had to lift it to remove nails and add nails. I have all of this granule loss. I have creasing right there that I've kind of circled and outlined in chalk. This shingle, if you look here, is creasing and tearing. You can get like kind of a close-up of that to where this is, I don't want to tear it, but I got creasing right there and a lot of granule loss. This shingle above it, if you see that when I manipulate it or lift it, it is delaminating and creasing right there, and also delaminating and creasing right there. This shingle is kind of the same. So if you could see the 2 layers separating and the creases, so there's a giant crease right there, a giant crease right there, and right there. So I'm going to outline those. Or there, and then as I'm trying to lift the shingle and hold it up, the edges are fraying and tearing. So I got tears there. I got the crease here, and it may be hard to see this, but like my foot path where I was having to stand, all of these granules were rubbed off. It's just a huge pile to where there is no granules left on these shingles where I was standing. That's probably one of my biggest concerns, actually. I'm going to outline that, and hopefully you can see it in the video, but like there is no granules left in this entire circle. And that kind of concludes. So like in order to repair and replace one damaged shingle, I damaged 1, 2, this is 3, and this is 4, and then all of these, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 shingles were damaged to replace 1. And that's all I got. We'll submit this probably in a YouTube link. After thinking about it too, so we marked all of this damage, but I kind of forgot to consider like any mat transfer from the shingle sealant. So the shingle was sealed down here, and attempting to pull it up literally pulled some of this mat up with it. So I got that right there, got that right there, and it's kind of consistent throughout, so you can see it right there. See it right here, and right there, and right there. So that's just more damage to consider. Cool, that's it.